Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Olive Urmatam Galamay, 37 years old, married but no kids. My height is 152 centimeter. My weight is 42 kilograms. I work as a housemaid in Qatar to Mr. and Mrs. Abdullah Mubarak Al-Kaabi for 4 years and 10 months. I do household chores such as cleaning, marketing, ironing, washing clothes, and also I assist my madam with her cooking business and catering. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money to build a house for my family. I am trustworthy, honest, obedient, and hardworking. Also, I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. Again, I'm Olive or Matam Galamay. I promise to finish my 2 years contract with you and willing to renew if needed. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.